Alright, so we're gonna play some Among Us. Why is all of this popping up? Okay, so yeah, 5 minutes at Among Us. I'm downloading it right now. See you right down here. 5 nights at Among Us. How is this going to go? This is gonna be very interesting. Okay. Oh. Okay. Looking at the cams. Okay, nobody here. So what is this? You can't click this. What about this? Nothing. What do you? You just check cams. That's it. Okay. I've been playing for so long, nothing has happened. Like, oh, you can press that button. That's interesting. Anything else? No, I'm done. I'm watching Link's Force video right now of him playing it. What? How did he see that? I've been playing for so long, I didn't see. There's another one. How did he see that? I don't understand. Okay, you know what? Whatever. I'm gonna play a different game. Alright, get this off my screen. Okay, the Factory of Fun. Okay, let's do this. Custom night. Let's do continue. Alright, night 1. Okay, it's loading. Alright, whoa, what is this? The heck? Okay, what do you do? Oh, you can check the cams, probably? Yeah, these are cams. Okay, that's an animatronic. Okay, checking cams. Oh, whoa, what the heck? He's on his computer. Okay, nothing oh, what the heck? Okay, let's get out of cams. Let's see if anything happens. What? What the heck? What? I just got jump scared. What just happened? I'm so confused. Okay, get out of my screen. Okay. What the heck? Okay, characters. How about this? Characters. Oh, okay. Got some characters here. Oh, you did not unlock this character yet. Oh, what the heck? Kurzak. She comes from the front door. Close your door before she visits you with her mighty pan. Okay, then. Let's do another game then. Is this gonna pop up every single time? Oh, whoa, what is going on? Wait, what? There's an animatronic there. Shut the door, shut the door, door shut. What do you do? What do you do? The door won't shut. What? The door won't shut. That's, what? Is there like a key to press for it? Or no, like what? Is there a possibility that it could be E? Oh my, it is E. Jeez. Oh my god, I was so confused. Okay, let's get these cams. Okay, so is he like about to like pop up or something? Cause I know like something's about to happen. Yep, I know something's about to happen. I know it is. Yep. Okay. Come on. Come on. Yes. Oh wait. Jump scare me? Nope. GG's. Okay. So did he just open the door? What? What is the point of the door then? Wait. What? Wait, hold on. What's going on? Wait. Want some? What is going on? Yes, of course. What just happened? I don't understand what just happened. Okay. I'm so confused. Like, what?